Hello YouTube, and it's Christmas Day today, so Merry Christmas to you all watching this. And today I'll be doing a mega pack opening. I'll only be opening one because I've only got 35k, enough for one. So yeah, let's do this. 35k. Wow. Let's hope we get someone good. There's informed Rodriguez, informed Tevez with night shooting, and ooh, you saw that on camera. Rooney in a pack. Wow, what a mega pack! It's Christmas Day, and we get such a good pack. We get such a brilliant player in the pack. Oh, that was amazing. So I'm gonna store these in the club. Wow, Rooney sent straight to trade pile because that was an excellent find. To transfer, gonna quick sell him. Might as well, actually, I'll keep him to transfer. Keep, to transfer. To transfer. Keep, transfer. Keep, transfer. And selling you. Oh, that was an amazing pack. So I'm just going to go over to my transfer list and check how much Rooney's going for, because that was an excellent pull. Check market price. We'll definitely get our money back on this pack. 59k. So yeah, my money back instantly. That pack. I can't explain it. Christmas Day pack. Go buy that pack. If you've got enough money, go and buy that pack. I'll put them up for this much. Just a bit cheaper because it's Christmas and I want someone to buy them. So yeah, that's it for this 35k pack opening with an 87 rated player. Amazing. Peace, YouTube.